We are turning breadfruit into edible bowls with these breadfruit breakfast bowls. You heard me right. We're taking breadfruit to new levels. Let's get into it. We're going to start off by making our ackee. Go ahead and drain this can, and then we're going to saute onions, peppers, tomatoes, scallions, pimento seeds, garlic, some fresh thyme, and seasoning. Gently mix everything together, keeping the ackee in full pieces until it looks like this. Set that aside and let's work on our callaloo. Chop some fresh callaloo into smaller pieces, and then we're going to use the same exact ingredients we used to cook the ackee. Once you've added your callaloo into the pan, add a scotch bonnet pepper, cover and set that aside. Now for the fun part, let's work on this breadfruit. Peel the skin until it looks like this, cut it in half, and then baby, use some muscle and get the seed out. Once you've done that, go ahead and submerge the 2 halves into cooking oil and fry it until it's sexy and golden. Now fill your bowl with your callaloo and ackee, add a little bit of plantain and some avocado, and baby, get into this. This is one of my most favorite breakfast